All right, we are back, and here is JBE coming out, or at least I say JBE. It is Dr. Brock and Javier Reyes, your Wrestle America champion. And I've been told that Bob is going to be coming back. Bob?
Oh, yeah.
Are you cleared to do this?
Well,
are you sure you're all right?
I'll be fine.
Because I'm still concerned for you. You took a beating out there.
I'm not feeling great, but I have a job to do, so I'm here.
I mean, I wouldn't disagree if you're not feeling good. I understand that. Trust me, I saw the match.
But it's main event time. Javier Reyes, the Wrestle America champion, defending against Fry Daddy.
Dab it up. Can you move around to dab it up?
I'll give a quarter dab.
Okay, that sounds good. Oh, he doesn't do the dab anymore?
And I have a little bit of understanding that you had a hand in getting this match planned as a favor to the old Fryster.
Yes, I did. It was to win favor with Fry. He's still, we'll say he's on the fence with me. We're not best friends. We probably won't write letters to each other. That's fine.
Has your surprise for Dr. Brock showed up yet? I looked around while I was back there.
He's on the way. It's on the way. The mail service is running a little slow. We'll say that.
Having him shipped here?
Who knows? You never know with me. I'm full of surprises, buddy.
Fry Daddy is confident as ever that he is going to bring back the Wrestle America Championship to where it belongs.
Well, we can only hope, because I don't think having that nerd hold it is going to be any better.
It has decreased the value greatly.
Oh, for sure. Me and Fry have never been best of friends. But you know what?
I would friends with anyone?
I've got friends. I've got friends. Like, I know I've not been the best person in the world, but if I was going to pick between two people, I would want Fry to win. Like, Fry is, it's like the enemy you know, almost, if you will. I don't trust Dr. Brock. I don't trust Javier. I don't trust JBE in general. They are sneaky beyond sneaky. And look at him, he's acting like he's got it, like it's still his. It's not his. The Wrestle America Championship is still not his. It's up for grabs. These people love Fry. Whether you love him or hate him, you love Fry.
Fry always a fan favorite, been Wrestle America day one. That is why they refer to him as the MVP of Wrestle America.
Oh yeah.
There's the bell, and we are underway, our main event for the Wrestle America Championship.
And as much trash as I've talked about Javier, he is a specimen. Just look at the guy. Like, he oozes charisma. He's got the right body for it. He's the big guy. He's a cut guy. He can do big man moves. He can do fast man moves. He can do anything. Yeah, if he just loses that nerd over there, he would be better. That's just it.
There's a lot of people in your career that they've said the same thing about.
You know, and sometimes you got to look at the other side of the coin, though. Like, I was coaching people up. I was fixing people who were down in the basement doing nothing. I was building people up, and that's what I do. This guy manipulates people. Dr. Brock manipulates people to where he can get whatever he wants because he's an evil nerd. It's as simple as that. He's an evil nerd. Most of the time you think nerds are like all nice and they're just awkward and everything else. He's awkward for sure, but he's just an evil nerd. Look at him. He's even afraid to even like have Fry stare him down. And he walks like that. Javier's going to take it to the limit with Fry. Fry's going to shake off whatever Javier can give him, though. Who's got the more endurance, though, is the bigger question on this.
Nice go behind it to Javier. Picking Fry up and slammed him down. That waist lock.
And Javier's got the background of amateur wrestling. He knows how to do the mat wrestling and stuff like that. So he's, in essence, he's the total package. He is someone who should be at the top. And he is at the top with WrestleAmerica. But he can't be out. Oh! Ooh, so close.
Some of Javier's family sitting front row, having some words with Fry.
Oh, are those the guys that Fry was looking at earlier?
Yeah.
Fry's a student of the game. He knows what it takes to win. He's a winner. I know that because he's always beaten me in everything I've done to him.
Shoulder tackle there by Javier. And now standing over Fry. Oh, look out. Another roll up. And a kick out at 2 this time.
Got a little cocky right there.
Fry again, showing that was so close.
Dr. Brock throwing out instructions for him. I'll give Dr. Brock that. He knows how to find a situation to make it better for his associates, if you will.
Javier right now possibly underestimating Fry Daddy a little bit.
And that's the problem there. You can never underestimate Fry Daddy. He is, there's a reason why he is the MVP of WrestleAmerica. The reason why he's always in the main event. He is the guy. You can't just look at his size and judge him. You cannot do that because he's got everything. Just in a smaller body, but he's got everything that you would want in a wrestler. Trust me, I tried to recruit him.
Knee to the midsection and a right hand.
You see that right?
Taking Fry down.
You're not having flashbacks from a few, like 30 minutes ago, are you?
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay. Let's just focus on this. Look at that! Look at that run!
I've never seen a nerd run that fast. Nerds aren't supposed to be athletic. That's why they're nerds.
Look at him just cradling that championship like it's his. Oh, God! You can tear a tendon doing that.
Oh. Oh, now using the ring skirting.
Oh, come on. I think he's shifted another gear. You just see the anger in his face. That's determination as well.
Fry shot across. Gets the boot up. Dodges the clothesline. Roll up. And another kick out at 2. A back elbow across the bridge of the nose. Cover. And a kick out.
He had that face like he had it, and then he didn't. Look at that face. Look at that determination, Bob. It's almost scary. Oh, come on. Putting the foot on the neck. And then using the ropes as leverage to put more force down on it.
I'm just toying around with Fry.
You can only tool around with him so long. Case in point. Got a bear hug going right here, and he's the guy that'll give a good bear hug right there. Suck the wind out of you, crush your lungs. Look at him. Look at Fry, barely hanging on to life.
Oh, that'll ring your ears. Fry off the ropes, but got caught again, and this time into a slam. That kick out at 2. So close.
So close. You see just on that, the ref was so close to hitting that 3. It was like an inch away from being a 3. Once again, putting him in the neck hold right there, or headlock, and it's going to suffocate you. That's going to stop the air from getting to your heart, getting to your lungs, to where it's like you will pass out. And it takes a moment to recover from that.
Fry was trying to create some separation by stomping on the foot, but that was stopped by Javi into a suplex. Now mocking the fans here in Forsyth, Georgia.
Oh, come on, scraping your boot on his face.
Throwing in those rights.
This is just a statement right here. He's just making a statement that he's the champ and no one can beat him no matter who they are.
Oh, whipper suplex, but Fry blocking it. But got him that time on the second effort.
Look at the confidence. I'll be going back to just taking the wind out of Fry. Oh, and the knee to the back does not help matters at all. Look at him, trying to fight out. If he can just get up fully. Yeah, there you go.
Right, trying to go for the cut line, but got blocked by Reyes. Oh, and the angle slam cover. 1, 2. Oh, Fry kicking out.
Look how close that ref was. That count. What's he doing? What was he calling for?
Javi's asking for something. He's asking for a microphone.
Fry Daddy's Poppy has something to say to him. stupid people. Show the champion respect. I am so sick of you saying this is your MVP. I am the MVP. I am the champion. I'll whip all your ass as you get in this ring with me. Your hero is done. I am your champion. I am the pinnacle. I am the main event forever. And I'll end this when I'm good and ready to...
Oh, wait a minute.
He's got him, Bob. Got a little too cocky, got a little too confident.
Reyes maybe talked a little too much. Shout out to Matthew. Fry with the sleeper, wearing the champ down.
It's a reversal of roles because that's what he's been doing to him the entire match.
But Reyes back up and driving Fry to the corner to break the hold. The champ almost got a little too overconfident. Oh, but Fry back on. And again into the corner. Fry sidestepping Reyes. Drop kick. Both men down.
Look at the concern on Brock.
You almost feel that title slipping from his grasp. Both men getting up to their feet. Right at him, feeling it. Go for a lariat. Just two men just colliding with each other. Oh, Reyes blocking Fry. Instead, looks like he's going for a power slam, but Fry escaping. Sweeping the legs. Fry go for that elbow, but Reyes moved out of the way.
He's got him in a lock.
Submission locked in. Center of the ring. Fry has nowhere to go. Reyes wrenching it in.
He's wrenching it in deep too right there. That's not good. He's getting his last little breath that Fry's doing.
Now trying to apply all the body pressure he can on top of Fry. The Fry rolling over, pin. Reyes had to release the hold to kick out. The Fry quickly back to his feet. Off that second rope, dropping the elbow this time.
Superman's in the building.
Fry always managing to kick it into a higher gear. Going for the cut line, hits the cut line. Cover. 1, 2, and Dr. Brock. Dr. Brock pulled the referee out and then hit him with the belt.
This is ridiculous.
Fry, you could tell, upset. He knew he had it. went with that high knee. A glancing blow to Reyes, but Reyes rolling out of the ring.
Just get him back in the ring. Just get him back in the ring.
Lower back across the apron.
Oh, that does never feel good.
Dr. Brock standing over Fry, making fun of him.
What a nerd. Just ridiculous.
Oh.
Fry trying everything he can.
Pulling out all the stops. Speaking of which, Fry up on that second rope. Comes diving off, gets caught. Planted center of the ring by Javier.
I'm done. I'm done with this.
Where are you going now? Look at Dr. Brock. Now that Reyes has a cover, Dr. Brock tried to get the ref up into the ring. Wait, Ryan's out there. He just laid out Dr. Brock. And Fry kicked out. Fry managed to kick out. Now Reyes staring Ryan down after he laid out Dr. Brock. The ref's out. Dr. Brock is out. Oh, now Reyes has the belt. Reyes with that belt. Look out, Fry. Fry dodging it. Going for the cut line. Ryan bringing another ref out. Went for the cut line again, blocked. Backstabber. This time hits the cut line. Cover, 1, 2, 3. Fry Daddy has done it. Fry Daddy has pinned Javier Reyes for the Wrestle America Championship. Fry Daddy, your new champion. And giving assist to Ryan for getting the second ref out here.